Welcome to Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone. We're going to make poblano soup today, but first we have to roast the poblanos. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments and questions.
Okay, after you roast the peppers for about 400 for about 15-20 minutes, turning them, then you have to let them cool off. Put them in a plastic bag while they're still warm, and then you can peel the skin off of the pepper, and that's important because you really don't want to eat that skin. So this is what's time consuming about poblanos or any kind of peppers like that you want to cook with. But make sure you wear gloves and you don't get any in your eye. Cut them open. This one came open on me. And then you're gonna have to pull the seeds out, because if you have any seeds in there, they're hot. So they get hot, so burn your mouth pretty good, but some people like it like that. I'll try to pull the seeds out.
Next, throw in some butter, saute your onions and garlic and a little cumin. Add your poblanos and then your chicken stock and let it boil for 10 minutes. Then transfer to your blender.
Put in a whole avocado, a little cream. I don't have crema, so I'm just going to use regular cream. A little cream in there. Some cilantro. Everybody doesn't like cilantro, so they call for half a cup, but we'll start with about a quarter. And then I'm going to add a little chipotle chili, because it's got a nice little flavor. Salt and pepper. And then we're going to put the lid on it and put it in soup mode, and it'll stay hot. Let's see what it needs. Nice and creamy. That's delicious. Wow, that's really good. Got a little kick to it. I'm gonna add some cheese. Steam is coming up. We're good to go. Looks really good.
And that's my poblano soup recipe. Now go out and create your own unique comfort zone.